Why are there not more people talking about dance workouts? They're fun, effective, and perfect for beginners. Dance workouts are the perfect way to make fitness fun and accessible. They're not just workouts, they're a party. Start with easy-to-follow routines on YouTube, like the Fitness Marshall's energetic sessions or Pop Sugar's fun dance hits. Remember, focus on moving and having fun more than getting every step perfect. Keep at it consistently, and you'll see progress. Plus, you'll always have a reason to smile. So, hit play, get moving, and dance your way to fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips from the Fitness Idea. See you on the dance floor.